Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you Toyota Mark X speedometer, also known as combination meter or instrument cluster, before and after we converted it from Japanese to English. Disregard flickering. This is due to cluster and our digital camera refresh rates and not visible to the naked eye. All menus and warning messages in its instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. We've checked the Japanese owner's manual, and some warning messages the cluster will display in the event of the breakdown are not even mentioned in the manual. After conversion, instrument cluster displays all statistics, notifications, and warnings in English. For example, there could be notifications related to low oil pressure, low key battery, or key being left inside the vehicle, or key not detected, dirty radar, power steering system, cruise control, moonroof or doors open, etc. Apart from normal driving conditions, any notifications and warning messages will now pop up in English. Thank you for watching.